Hi friends, today I will teach you 30 English sentences that will make you speak English very easily. So let's start the video. The sky is blue. आसमान नीला है. The sky is blue. My dog likes to chase squirrels. मेरा कुत्ता गुलहरियों का पीछा करना पसंद करता है. My dog likes to chase squirrels. She enjoys reading mystery novels. इसे पुरस्कार नावल पढ़ना अच्छा लगता है. She enjoys reading mystery novels. The coffee is hot. कॉफी गर्म है. The coffee is hot. They went to the beach last weekend. वो गुज़श्ता हफ्ते के आखिर में साहिल समंदर पर गए थे. They went to the beach last weekend. He plays the guitar. वो गिटार बजाता है. He plays the guitar. I need to buy grocery. मुझे ग्रोसरी खरीदनी है. I need to buy grocery. She loves watching romantic movies. इसे रोमानवी फिल्में देखना पसंद है. She loves watching romantic movies. The flowers are blooming in the garden. बाग में फूल खिल रहे हैं. The flowers are blooming in the garden. We're going on vacation next month. हम अगले महीने छुट्टियों पर जा रहे हैं. We're going on vacation next month. The pizza was delicious. Pizza मज़ेदार था. The pizza was delicious. He is studying for his exams. वो अपने इम्तिहानात के लिए पढ़ रहा है. He is studying for his exams. The cat is sleeping on the couch. बिल्ली सोफे पर सो रही है. The cat is sleeping on the couch. She is learning to speak French. वो फ्रांसीसी बोलना सीख रही है. She is learning to speak French. I am going for a run after work. मैं काम के बाद भागने जा रहा हूँ. I am going for a run after work. They visited the museum yesterday. उन्होंने गुज़श्ता रोज़ म्यूज़ियम का दौरा किया. They visited the museum yesterday. It's raining outside. बाहर बारिश हो रही है. It's raining outside. He enjoys playing basketball. इसे बास्केटबॉल खेलना पसंद है. He enjoys playing basketball. The book is on the table. किताब मेज पर है. The book is on the table. She is cooking dinner right now. वो अभी रात का खाना बना रही है. She is cooking dinner right now. They are planning a party for next weekend. वो अगले हफ्ते के आखिर में एक पार्टी की मंसूबाबंदी कर रहे हैं. They are planning a party for next weekend. I need to do laundry today. मुझे आज कपड़े धोने की ज़रूरत है. I need to do laundry today. The sun is shining brightly. सूरज चमकदार चमक रहा है. The sun is shining brightly. He likes to take long walks in the park. वो पार्क में लंबी सैर करना पसंद करता है. He likes to take long walks in the park. She is wearing a red dress. इसने सुर्ख लिबास पहन रखा है. She is wearing a red dress. We are going to the concert tonight. हम आज रात कंसर्ट में जा रहे हैं. We are going to the concert tonight. He is teaching English abroad. वो बैरूनी मुल्क अंग्रेजी पढ़ा रहे हैं. He is teaching English abroad. They are painting the walls of their house. वो अपने घर की दीवारों को पेंट कर रहे हैं. They are painting the walls of their house. I enjoy listening to music while I work. मुझे काम के दौरान मौसीकी सुनना अच्छा लगता है. I enjoy listening to music while I work. She wants to travel the world someday. वो किसी दिन दुनिया का सफ़र करना चाहती है। She wants to travel the world someday.